The Source Handheld is easy to assemble. Included you'll find a user guide, the shower head and handle complete with a brand new filter already installed, a roll of plumber's tape, an arm bracket and a hose attachment. Align the arrow on the handle with the unlock symbol. Push the handle firmly onto the top of the shower filter, then twist the handle to the right to align the arrow with the lock symbol. Unscrew your existing shower head from the pipe in a counterclockwise direction. Wipe the threads of the pipe clean with a washcloth. Unwrap 5 to 7 inches of the plumber's tape from the paper spool and wrap the section of plumber's tape around the pipe threads in a clockwise direction. Screw the arm bracket tightly onto the shower pipe threads in a clockwise direction. The hose attachment of the bracket should be pointing straight down. Remove plastic covers from both ends of the hose. Then, install one of the rubber washers into each of the hose openings. Screw the smooth round end of the hose onto the bottom of the handle and the other end onto the arm bracket. Once installed, allow hot water to run from the shower head for 5 minutes before using. The Source Handheld comes with 7 stream settings. To select your desired setting, adjust the switch to the right or left until you hear a click. Replace your filter every 3 to 4 months or until the indicator turns black. Detach the handle from the top of your shower head, then remove the old filter and wipe down the threading. Remove the stickers from both ends of the new filter and firmly press either end of the filter into the handle until you hear a click. Once installed, flush out with hot water for 5 minutes before its next use.